Hi guys, Brendan from TaT here, letting you know that just around the corner is our next webinar, Non-Intrusive Cam Timing Diagnostics. So you can join us on Tuesday the 21st of May at 5 p.m, or if it suits you better, Wednesday the 22nd of May at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. If neither of those suit you, then there is a recording that goes out to everyone that signs up, so you still can sign up and get the recording. Just obviously being live, you can ask questions and interact a bit. So this one's being put on by Daniel Armour from the TaT Technical Team. Now, he's got a workshop over in Western Australia, and he, like all of us, is seeing more and more cam timing related faults. Now, whether that be electrical based, so we might be talking about something in the variable valve timing system, or obviously mechanical, with manufacturers just not able to make chains that seem to be able to go the distance these days. So we're seeing these faults. We want to talk about non-intrusive ways we can go about testing these. So how he approached them, maybe even places that he's gone amiss and taken a different way, but we want to give you as many test methods as you can that avoid pulling these things apart wherever possible, so that we can still have a car that's running in case the customer doesn't want to go ahead with it and all those kinds of things, right? So I'd love to see you there. Take a look at the TaT training website, or there'll be a link down below, and we'll catch you on either Tuesday the 21st or Wednesday the 22nd.